Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to check DM on Instagram. So first thing you have to do is go up to your profile below and you're going to see three horizontal lines right above your screen. Click on that. Once you click on that, you have to scroll down and see where it says how other reacts with you. You can see message and story replies. Click on that and you click on message requests and it's going to take you to this part. So you can see where it says allow access to messages right here. You have to turn that on and also have to choose everyone can send message requests. Click on that and also click on who can add you to group chats. Click on everyone as well. So after that, you can also choose story replies and you can just go there and allow everybody. So after doing that and done it, you have to go and see right below your screen. You can see these icons. Click on the one at the middle. Click on that and you're going to see your DM. So these are your DMs and messages. So it's very pretty simple to check. If you find this guide helpful, give a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.